What's up guys, AK with DCC Train. In this video I'm going to show you how to determine proper traveling direction of that gorgeous Marklin locomotive and solder correct wires color from decoder output. This is ESU lock pilot decoder motor output, so it's orange and gray. Sometimes I'm just touching the motor with those leads, wires, and that's it. But this is a little bit more complicated. See, all wires black, and I need to make 100% sure it's proper direction before I assemble it. So it's going to here, so yes, kind of complicity. That's why I'm going to mark the orange one with the gold Sharpie. You can use, I think they have 3 colors or more. Anyway, looking at the diagram right now, I added those 2 wires and they will be shorter, okay, after we find out which direction. So I mark the top one with the gold color, and I'm writing here will be orange, and this will be motor. So I can save my diagram and for the future reference, and I'm going to now see if it's right or wrong. Sometimes it's like 50-50. Usually orange in Marklin locomotives this, but we'll see, because I really don't know. They're all black. So I connected it. Let's put it. The reason, yes, I'm doing it right now. When I connect everything, it will be more complicity. So putting step 1. Lucky day. Bingo. Okay, so taking my Sharpie, and this is my orange. Great. Okay, so turning my system off, actually stopping that locomotive, decoder out. See, that's my orange right there. I'm going to assemble it real quick. Okay. So that's why it's less complicity. If I'm connecting that locomotive already, first I need to put all those wires together here, but that thing going first. Okay. And then it's only one way. Not going to actually screw, because those 2 screws with the final assembly, but right now I just need a this is a little bit tricky. Need a very small Phillips screwdriver, so not messing around with that ski. Just go through. Let's see. Yeah, I think I got it. Yeah, so it's just sits here. All right. Yeah, sometimes I'm just doing overview videos. See how nice, because you just watching my fingers. So that will be after final assembly. I think I'm going to trace those wires. Depends. Let me put, no, I think I'm going to they will be imitating like hoses, like that. Yeah, it gives a little bit more room. Yeah, that's even better. Something like this, yes. Here we go. Okay, that will be all for right now. Next video I will put everything together, solder wires tested, the sound already, sound file uploaded. A lot of fun. Thanks for watching, supporting business. If you'd like to support channel, please join membership. Have a good one. Bye bye.